The next thing I want to get onto is, now that you have your inspiration, how do you apply it? How do you make something your own? And I'll go through an example of something I did a couple weeks ago. And this was a logo for a product that I sell. And the nice thing about doing logos for products that you sell is if you do a really good logo, it'll probably sell better just because it conveys that your product is special, that you've put extra time and effort into it. So let me open that up. Okay, so in this example, I want to show you how I take inspiration and I get a bunch of, we call them tears, and I get a bunch of tears or inspiration pieces, kind of put them up on a mood board. And what I was going for here is, this is a product I have called Time Machine Textures, and it's a set of textures for Photoshop and Illustrator that make your graphics look old. I wanted to go for kind of a groovy Austin Powers sort of type design for this. And the upper left is a Herb Lubalin design. That thing is just absolutely beautiful. Cream, yes, these are 70s bands. So this letters thing is a very nice 70s style. For the Jimi Hendrix tear, I really like the psychedelic spinning background. The Secret Code, the art group, those are just kind of cool 70s groovy designs. The lower left, I'm not sure what the word is, but that's a Nathan Yoder design that's just awesome. I design most of my logos. They'll just, an idea will pop into your head and you'll just sketch it out. And usually it's not perfect or even close, but I design these really small thumbnails. So that says Time Machine. Again, I'm just trying to get an idea down on paper, then I'll refine it. And this is to give you scale. My pen's in there, so that's probably a sheet of copy paper. And I've just gone in and hand drawn everything. And you can see where I made eraser marks and all that kind of thing. And then in the process, in the blue, I've just drawn out all the vector lines. Typically, if I'm doing a script, and obviously just a sans serif or serif font too, I'll draw all the letters separately, and that way you can kind of move things around. And I'll get into that a little bit later, but I just wanted to kind of show you my process. This is the type with just basic, no 3D or dimension to it. I'm playing around here with some outline strokes. And then eventually I get to this one where I've put in some shading, and now I've got the psychedelic background. I got the colors kind of dialed in. So anyway, that's just kind of a preview of the process I will show you later on in this class.